Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unsend or undo message in Gmail. You have only a few seconds to do that, so you need to be really fast. So I will show you. In this case we will use temp email. We will send message to this email and we will try to undo it. So we will write some random things here, also here, and we will send the message. In the left corner you will get this message to undo. You need to press this fast and the message will never come to this email. Now you can edit the message and send it again. If you want to prolong undo time, you have option to prolong it to 30 seconds. Go here where is settings, where is gear, click on see all settings, and here you will get option to prolong the time, cancellation time. Click on this and that's that, you are done. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.